Aria, do you have an ice cream store?
Oh, yeah.
How much are those?
Oh, that's free. It's free, Mama.
Oh, why is it free?
Because I got more money already.
You have money already?
And coins and knuckles.
Oh, okay. So can I taste it?
Okay. What do you want a cone or bowl? Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Do you want a cone or bowl?
I want the cone. Mmm.
You know what you're doing, honey?
What kind of ice cream do you want?
But there's something inside there.
I think.
Oh, you already did that. You already did that.
How about Kylie? What's she doing?
Oh, they didn't do the small part. They didn't do this part.
Is Kylie selling something too, Aria?
Oh no.
Oh.
Who's selling bath bombs?
What's that?
Who's selling bath bombs?
Oh, what is that?
Who's selling bath bombs?
Where's my ice cream?
What kind of ice cream do you want?
I want the what are those?
Oh, this is chocolate, mint chocolate, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla.
I think I'm gonna take the strawberry.
What? Oh, if you take all of it, it will be a partial ice cream. It will be an ice cream sundae.
Oh, since it's Sunday today, I'll take ice cream sundae.
Okay. Then
All
you
right.
have to, then that'll be $100.
I thought it's free.
No, for that one you have to pay.
Okay, I'll take the free one then. Which one is the free one?
Oh, only one free. I mean free two and two and one.
Why are you selling it for free?
Oh, because they haven't won money. But if they have the I could Sunday, they have to pay.
I think you need money so you can buy a pants. Look at your pants. What happened there? What's that?
Hair. Look.
Okay. Don't put hair on my ice cream.
I'm not putting hair in the ice cream.
Okay, where's my
Mommy?
strawberry
Oh, where's the water?
ice cream? Oh, wow. Oh, cool. And this one is free?
Yeah, because you just took one.
One scoop.
One scoop is free. What's that?
Yogurt.
Are you selling yogurt too?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
That's my drink.
oh. Do you have any drink for sale?
Uh-uh.
Oh, the ice cream.
It fell. It's okay. It's a toy. Walk the break. Mommy.
Yum, yum, yum,
Mommy
yum,
has
yum, yum, yum,
tea
yum.
tree satay. Mommy has tea tree satay.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mommy has tea tree satay.
Aria, I'm eating my ice cream.
Mommy has tea tree satay. Is this a toy?
Mhm.
Wait, is this an Aria toy?
Okay, bye, Aria.